Alright guys, it's been a while. I had to order parts. I actually ordered 2 seals. Here's what the seal package, if I can focus in, but it's a 16 by 28 by 7. It's taken me a little while to get the parts. I think I've got my camera set up a little better, but I got out here and got started and said, oh shoot, I was videoing this. So anyway, I just put that seal with the grooves up, so the smooth part is on this side where the bearings are going to go in. So where the impeller goes, that's the part that you're going to see the little groove, the little U-channel facing up. You can see down in there. And then this side is going to be the smooth, flat side. Alright? So at this point, we've got our bearings. Here's the number on the bearings, if you can. I can't tell if that's focusing. But the number is 6203-2RSH/C3. Got these just at my local bearing store. Now you can buy these in a kit online. So right here, and I'm going to use a little grease. I've got marine grease that I use on my wheel bearings on my trailer. Put a little grease on there, help it sit down in there. Then what we'll do, I like to get a, let's see if I got a big socket. I got a set of big sockets here. I get one that fits just on the outside. Oh, and you can get these at Harbor Freight. Super cheap. Kind of make sure it's going down in there together. Should start sliding down there. Now, alright, so what I've got here is got a big C-clamp, 2 pieces of wood on both sides, and I'm just going to turn the clamp and watch that bearing just push in. Looks like it's going in there a little crooked, so I can see it's bigger on this side and smaller on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this off. I'm not sure why it's going in there a little crooked. I'm going to set this. Yeah, I can tell it's going in there, so I'm going to tap. You can see that that's smooth, but we've got to get it all the way down. That is a 1 3/16. Even though it sounds like that is 1 3/16. Okay, sir. Well, let's just keep doing what works. Now that is getting. Can't quite tell if it's all the way down, so we'll. Now I think that's all the way in. Alright, so if not, we'll push it on down with the other. We'll get the other bearing in there. Now, at this point, there is a little flat washer that's going to be in between these two. Now with this, my concern is making sure that we get that centered. So I'm wondering if set this on there sideways. Alright, let's get more grease. Just a little bit. And what you saw what I did, I put the shaft in there backwards just to kind of hold that washer. Now guys, here's being when you take something apart that's a used vehicle and you assume that's the exact way that's the original way. So I'm going to put this back exactly the way I took it apart. Manufactured, when it came from the manufacturer, it may not be exactly, but I know it worked for 7 years with me with the boat like this. So if it worked that long for me, alright, there's 2 bearings. The seal's in, bearings are in. Okay, so now we've got an O-ring. I swear I do not, I went and looked at another video. It said that O-ring, after you slide this down, the guy in the video that I saw had this O-ring right on top of it. So that's where we're going to put it. So anyway, alright, I'm going to go with a little more grease. This is just to kind of, all I'm doing is just kind of give a little grease just right here. Probably could put some like anti-seize, which I've got some, and I mean I don't think it would be a problem if you use that. So at this point we're going to put the pump back on here. Can absolutely go on only one way. I'm just trying to make sure that I've got everything back like I so use I got my camera, that's in my place, that's in my place. I'm just checking to make sure it's moving. It's gonna lose it. Someone is gonna press it. That is all the way down there, guys. Now I'm going to take this little O-ring. I'm just going to slide it right down on here. It's all the way down. Impeller. And let's take a little bit of well,
do you have another hammer? Dad, do you have another hammer?
Since I do reloading, I do have a lot of little one-shot case lube. Do what, babe?
Do you have another hammer? A hammer?
A hammer.
Oh, there they are. I'll use this one. Dad, you need to de-rust these hammers.
Just put them in some vinegar.
Okay, let me...
That thing really just pushes in, but if you see where this part, it gets thinner over here, so it pushes up against it, you have to kind of push against this impeller to get it to sit over and push down, because it wants to push itself off center. I hope that makes sense, but if not, when you start doing it, you'll figure it out, I'm sure. So anyway, that's pretty much it, man. Now all we got left is gasket and the top here. Just line it up the same way it came off. And you're pretty much good to go. And put all your screws in, and we'll get back to mounting it back on the boat. And there it is after the top's on, all put back together, ready to go back on the boat.